Where are you? Oh, well, you went out. Hi there. Did you get stuck? You got stuck, I know. Are you okay? Yeah. Okay. Don't get under there again, you're going to get stuck again. No, I'm not going to take it off. What? Silly. No, don't take it off. Good girl.